race for a change. We're doing a Zwift Crit Racing Club on Volcano CCW course. 17 kilometers, about 10-ish or so miles, 3 laps, using the new Zwift Racing Score criteria. Kind of more populated pen this time, I think. I think I saw like around 15 people signed up, so that should be interesting in here with my buddy Jeff. So we'll be on Discord off the video here, but should be fun to have someone else in the race with us. Didn't get super good warm up beforehand, and did get a nice like blood draw at the doctor's office, so I don't know if that's helpful or less helpful. I have to imagine that's not gonna prove super helpful, but we'll see how this goes. Did see a couple of A riders in here, so yeah, we'll be interesting to see like how good the score is for parity on an actual filled pen. So I'm gonna go on mute until the race starts here. Yeah, I don't see that A rider in the pen yet. I mean, maybe. Yeah. We got this Jay Compty. He's the A rider. Oh yeah, man, dude, I'm already feeling it. Not bridging up. I'm just letting that Hinchcliffe dangle. Let someone else bridge. Yeah, see? Gonna get caught already. Yeah, my legs are feeling it already. Wonder if that has anything to do with blood draw or not. Well, we already dropped one person. And they're definitely setting a fast pace up front, that's for sure. 4-1, 4-2. On pace for like just under 25 minutes right now. I didn't get a good warm up in either, to be honest. Shame on me. I think it's pretty clear someone wants to wear down sprinty people. Somebody's got hammers. I mean, it's a flat course though, so you gotta really be crushing it to make a breakaway. As you just saw, that guy in front was holding like 4-2. We still ended up catching him. Working, man. We're working here. On the downhill, looks like people chilled out a little bit. Oh yeah. I hear that. Yeah, I think for this, given there's probably some stronger people in the pen, then probably my approach is going to be just sit in, try and stay on the front group, and then have a better time sprint than them. Hopefully. Already almost a quarter of the way through here though. Pace is slowed a bit. I'm sure they're gonna hammer up here. Someone's gonna hammer. Yep. Or maybe me. Man, I had a feather power up and didn't use it. That was dumb. Yeah, resets at the banner here. chasing, baby. Yeah, he gave it up. Whew. Man. And all the A riders up front. That's a herd guy. The A rider is Comte. Looks like a second one's dropped. Just two. But yeah. Watch people pushing here. Watch push. Unless you're the pusher. Yeah. Whew. Dang. All right, 10K left. %42 done. Yeah. I forget, this isn't as flat as I thought it would be, but it's more like punchy short hills, I guess. I got a draft. Yeah, it's coming up here. Punch here shortly. Yep, someone's gonna go or try to go. Seegers is. That power up if you need it. Whew. We're moving. Get a power up window here. Yeah, Fitzgerald's going. I mean, I can't keep up with that. No way. Gonna need someone else to be Bridger, sadly. Oh, that dude has some definite watt power there, or power, not watt power. I don't know what I'm talking about. He's throwing down. A lot. 8 seconds already. Yeah, Comte is gonna try and bridge, I think. Well, that one person caught, so yeah. Yep. 60% done. Yeah, I'm content to let that guy go. I mean, can't make up 10 seconds anyway. I would just be pulling the rest of the crowd with me, giving them a free ride. Yeah, me neither. Just want to do barely enough so I don't get passed. Or dusted, rather. Yeah, Comte is going to push this pace. Well, Fitzgerald's got this locked up. Still cruising at 4.4. Person's got some serious staying power, that's for sure. Another jump. I would put money on Comte trying to hammer here. Or someone. There they go. Call that from a mile away. Standing up. Oh, we caught Fitzgerald. Dang. That took a lot out of me, though. Jeez. All right, last lap. I'm okay. Barely. I mean, he's still here now, but he got caught. We just spit out 2 more out the back. So we have 3 dropped. Yeah, same. Bad for the last hill. I got draft, which I will need, realistically. Pace is chill now. Or chill out a little bit. Jeff, you're like, I don't want this pace chill. Well, get off the front. Draft. Like, look at me, I'm only doing 2.5, 2.6, and staying in the draft. I mean, you just gotta monitor because they're gonna punch it up the hills, no doubt. Yep. This dude's going long again. Yeah, I can't. Nah. No. I'm good. Someone's gonna bridge. Comte is, I bet. Got it, man. Let's get this dual podium. That'd be quite a feat. This guy's gonna be caught again. He's pushing. All right, 1.1K to go. It's about to get real spicy up this hill. People are gonna uncork right here. Use your feather right here if you want. Probably a good spot for it. Oh man, Jesus. Good Lord. And I'm wiped after that. Oh man. Crazy. A lot of beastly sprinters. Damn, dude, you averaged 3.9. That's crazy. Doing a lot of pulling off the front.